Welcome everybody. Today we're going to talk about oil change. There's no secret. There's no secret recipe. There's no shortcut. You're going to have to change your oil if you want to maintain your motor in a good condition. Now, this is not an oil change tutorial. This is not a how to change your oil. I want to talk about how to make it easier on a monthly basis or on a yearly basis. In my case, I have to change the oil every month because of the amount of mileage that I make. So today I wanted to talk about this little guy here, the easy oil drain valve. Is it gonna make it easier? Is it easy to install? Is it gonna last long? I don't know. Let's find out. So with the kit that I ordered, you get the valve, there's your seal, you get a 90-degree elbow, you don't have to use it. It may be handy if you want to use a hose to direct your oil easier to a container or something like that. Along with that, we have 7 quarts of Mobil 1 020. This one is Dexos D, so it is approved by GM, and we have a K&N filter. I use K&N because of the socket that's built into it. It's easier, a lot easier to take the filter out and to put it in. To take the filter out and to install it, I use a kit. I will put the link in the description. This kit comes with the exact size. It's a 25 millimeter and it goes in perfectly. Do not use a regular 25 millimeter socket. It will not fit correctly, as you see. So if you use the 25 millimeter socket of the kit that I have, it goes in perfectly. It is made for filters. All right, so let's go and do this and let's see how it works. By the way, guys, if you don't have the wrench that the exact size for this valve, which I tried at 13/16 and it was too small, you can use a T50 and it will do the job just like a wrench. You only have to put it inside. This is one of the reasons why I decided to buy the valve. There is the steering stabilizer here, right where the oil has got to come down. It's very uncomfortable, especially for somebody who doesn't have a lift and has to do it in the house. There is no way you can do this without making a mess. So as you can see, changing the oil filter with this tool makes everything easier. There's just no easier way. So we're gonna proceed with the valve installation, and of course we're gonna close it. Going to install the filter. Let's put some oil on the gasket. Let's give it a snug. Not too much. Remember that there's a gasket. There's a seal. I mean, you don't need to really go crazy. But yeah, you need to make sure that it is secured. All right. So the 90-degree elbow, thinking about it, I think that is not gonna be a good idea. Because there's just no way there's no good angle to put it at. Unless we use a hose this way that goes directly to a container on the outside of the vehicle, and that is not a bad idea. I think I'm gonna leave it there for now, and we'll see on the next oil change. We'll make a video on how it works. Keep in mind that It doesn't have to be too tight. There's a seal, and the most important thing is the valve. The valve has to be perfectly tight. So let's see how it works. There you go. That's perfect. So it is spring loaded. To open it, you have to push on it. You have to push up and then to the right. Then when you're done, you just close it to the left, and it goes into a spot that you cannot open it unless you push it up. You push it up and then right. So we'll see how it goes. For the next oil change, I have to find a hose that goes into here so I can take that oil out directly to a container, or maybe I'll find a 15-degree elbow and it'll make it easier. I don't know, we'll see. So here's the finished product. Again, this wasn't a oil change tutorial. There's a lot of oil change tutorial out there for a 2022 GMC Sierra 1500 with the 3.0 diesel. This is the LM2 motor. I just wanted to show you an idea, and this may help some people to get their oil change done easier, quicker next time. So this concludes the oil change and the easy valve install. I will put the link in the description for those who are interested in getting it. So again, thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.